Traveler. Weber Traveler. We're going to, the grill should be at about 500 Fahrenheit degrees, 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we'll clean off the grills. So we're just waiting for it to heat up. Okay, the barbecue is the Weber Travelers at 500 degrees Fahrenheit. So the manual says that's when it's good to clean. So we're just gonna open it and turn off the fire and start cleaning so it can burn all of this stuff off. My brush is not the greatest, but it's okay. You see the grill has a weird shape. See? It's got these solid areas here, so it's kind of difficult to clean the grill. You got to go back and forth a lot of times. I think that's pretty good. Then I'm going to wipe it down. It's still got some grease on it. We're going to be moving it in the car, so I just want to get rid of all of the grease. If it's just staying on your balcony, maybe not as important, but I want to clean all the grease for the car. Just using regular paper towel. Trying to get in between those grates is kind of a little bit difficult. Look at that. So we don't want that on our food, so that's why we... Also, it can clean the metal bristles from the brush. Sometimes the metal bristles can be left on the grill, and that can be really dangerous, so doing this can prevent that from happening too. Next we have to take off the grills and clean the inside, but we have to wait for it to cool down a bit. So we're just going to let it sit. So inside you see it's pretty dirty, a lot of stuff. We're going to wipe it all out. First we're going to clean the underside of this grill. You can just turn it over like this, and then you can wipe off this grease. Now we'll clean the inside. Look at, there's all the grease down in the grease trap there. So we're just going to use a paper towel. It's pretty easy. It's kind of like a small bathtub, I guess. Just wipe all around here. And just push it down in that grease trap. Clean around this in there if you can. Clean this top. You can brush this with a metal brush if you want to clean the holes, but we don't need to do that today. Trying to clean it. Now we're going to take out the grease trap here, just pull out. It's a little bit stuck. There you go. Then you just clean that out. You can replace it with other ones. Just wipe it out.